damage, but just who will pay to clean up her mess?
It's a concern that we raised after the storm and echoed by Senator Chuck Schumer this weekend.
Well, the issue, if Sandy was a hurricane or post-tropical storm at landfall, and as Chris Gloninger tells us, that answer determines who pays.
We're telling NOAA today to stay strong in the face of any pressure, to not dare give in to the insurance company's demand to reclassify this storm.
It's an issue we brought up right after the storm. Hurricane deductibles are based on a percentage of the insured value of the home, not a flat rate as for other claims. That means if Sandy is classified as a hurricane, victims will have to pay more. I called the National Hurricane Center to see if they have any plans on reclassifying Sandy as a hurricane, and this is the statement that they gave me. The National Hurricane Center determined that Sandy became a post-tropical cyclone by 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on the 29th of October, when its center was still offshore. Sandy made landfall at 8 p.m. near Atlantic City, New Jersey.
Insurance deductibles were designed to follow determinations by the weather experts as to what the nature of the storm was or how severe the storm was going to be.
Greg Serio, leader of the Risk and Insurance Management at Park Strategies, told me that insurance companies put their best foot forward before the storm, but after the storm, they're taking a lot of heat.
By A, arguing that this might increase rates, B, that it might require them to curtail coverages, particularly in the coastal area, and now C, being chastised for trying to have a storm reclassified in terms of what it was.
Storm victims aren't entirely out of the woods. Although it was classified as a post-tropical storm, the National Hurricane Center is conducting a post-storm analysis, which is routine, but it could change the classification. The report will be released next year when many insurance claims will have already been finalized. Chris Gloninger, CBS 6 News, Albany.
Now, so what if Sandy is reclassified? How will insurance companies make up for the bigger loss? Chris gets those answers tonight at 6.